Once, Maya Angelou said that they may forget what you said, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Looking back, I may not remember every single lecture, every fact, or every discussion from my time at the Synergy IS Academy, but what I do remember is what I will always carry with me is the feeling of being guided, supported, and empowered to strive for something that is bigger than my own self. Synergy taught me that not just go where the path may lead, but go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. A very warm and heartful greeting to everyone watching this. Today, as I stand here at Miranda House, University of Delhi, reflecting on my journey, I can't help but express my deepest gratitude to the institution that laid the foundation of my academic pursuits, the Synergy IS Academy. During my time in class 11 and 12, Synergy was more than just academy, but it was a guiding light that instilled in me the discipline, analytical thinking, and a clarity that is needed to navigate the vast ocean of knowledge. From simplifying the complexities of NCRTs to training us in the art of newspaper reading, distinguishing the relevant from the redundant, it played a very pivotal role in shaping my learning. One of the greatest assets that I gained from the Synergy IS was that the ability to craft well-structured and very impactful answers. Their meticulous guidance in answer writing not only strengthened my expression but also enhanced my critical thinking, which is a very invaluable skill that extends beyond any kind of examination. More than academics, the academy fostered a sense of direction, moral integrity, resilience. I remember one quote written on one of the walls of the academy that do what is right, not what is easy. So such kind of a positive environment not only just get yourself prepared for such kind of exams, but it also helps you become a person with a greater purpose in life. Not just that merely wandering here and there without any kind of purpose. It helps you develop a purposeful life and have you make a meaningful life for your own self and to contribute in the entire society. And now I would like to tell you, behind this kind of transformation, there stood a team of exceptional contributors to my life. They are more than just mentors. Monu ma'am, Ajay sir, Hemant sir, Sandeep sir, Monu sir, Rahi sir, Priyank sir, Sunil sir, and every other teacher who left an indelible mark on my learning, and their unwavering support, encouragement, and the golden words of strength and very insightful teaching have played a very significant role in my academic journey. Along with UPSC, Synergy provided a very holistic strategy and guidance for CUET, and because of which I am pursuing BA program here at Miranda. The foundational skills and a mindset nurtured at the Synergy continue to empower me, and it is often said that a strong foundation leads to the towering achievements, and I owe mine to this incredible institution. To the Synergy IS Academy and its esteemed faculty, thank you for not just teaching but for inspiring, for not just instructing but for igniting a passion of learning in me, and for just making me more conscious of my goals. And the installation of a seed in me comes from you, and your contribution will always be an integral part of my journey. This journey would not have been the same without you. Some things in life are felt, not spoken. Some journeys are understood, not narrated. And what Synergy has given me can't be confined to mere words. It's a transformation, a foundation, and a silent force shaping thoughts that I have today. And perhaps the learning isn't just about finding all the answers, but it's about being in right place to ask the right questions. Thank you for listening to me.